Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Trello workspace. So it is quite easy task. All you have to do is go to Trello website and then log into your account. Alright, here you can see we already have our workspace over here. So if you want to create your own workspace, on the right hand side you can see the plus icon, and now you have to enter your workspace name. So I'm just going to give some name, and now you have to choose your workspace type. Alright, here you have to enter your workspace description. Since this is optional, I'm just going to skip this for now, and now click continue. Alright, here you can invite your workspace members. So over here you can enter the email of the members, or you can just click on invite link, and now you can save this link as well. So I'm just going to do this later, and here you can see our workspace has been created. So now we want to set up this workspace. So now let's create some boards. And over here click on create a board, and now give it your board name, and now click on create. Alright, here we are taken to our workspace, and we have our board over here, and now you can just add your lists and cards as well. So yeah, that is how you can set up your Trello workspace. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and now have the knowledge to create workspace in Trello. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.